Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Report on Wednesday the 20th of August with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. Going to move on to sterling dollar now, and sterling dollar, again another of these dollar charts that have had a significant break to the downside. What a big bearish candle we had there yesterday, and that just destroyed any sort of concept of that $1.67 level being a bit of support. And it now just reopens that low at 65.52, and more likely the March low at 64.59. The weakness has continued today. There's there was a very slight attempt at a bit of a technical rally early in the European session, but there's nothing really come through yet. And look at these momentum indicators. That RSI, which continues to bump along above and below 30, that just suggests that the strength of the trend is very negative. Look at those MACD lines consistently falling, and the stochastics also bearish as well. So further downside looks to be the case on this cable chart. Now, the interesting thing is what to do if you haven't got a position on. Well, you've seen after the big moves, you tend to get a little bit of a bounce. And that's maybe what we're seeing at the beginning of on this chart. You saw that a couple of days ago, where you got a couple of days of gains and then strongly down lower again, and that happened at the early part of last week and also a couple of weeks ago as well. So maybe that could be an opportunity. Anything back towards certainly the previous low at 66.54, but anything between 66.54 and I think 67 figure, I think should be seen as a chance to sell. You've got this downtrend that remains intact here, and that continues to drag everything lower. All the momentum indicators in bearish sequence, but as I said, this RSI shows that move quite nicely, where you get the breakdown towards the mid-20s on the RSI, and then it just rallies back above 30 again, or back towards 30. So you could well see a bit of a rebound that takes you up into a bit of resistance, that gives you a chance to sell once again. This is on the hourly chart, and that's the 66.50 area, and then you've got that 67 resistance as well. So I think anything back into that 50 pip range would give you a nice chance to sell. It's just unwinding a bit from oversold at the moment on an intraday basis, and that could even take it up to that 66.50 mark. You've got the Bank of England meeting minutes today and the Fed meeting minutes, so hawkish leanings from either of those could have a very volatile impact on this chart. The Bank of England's up first, so anything that suggests a change to the consensus view of 9-0 would be a boost to sterling. That could give you a jump, and to be honest, that could well take you into that 50 pip range. But I just see that as being a chance to sell, because I think that the dollar is the stronger currency at the moment, and it will eventually drag cable lower. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you